Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good stash in Donut SMP. First, select a truly remote and obscure location, far from spawn or popular areas. Dig at least 60 blocks deep underground or build over 200 blocks high in the sky to make it hard to find. Always use common, inconspicuous blocks like dirt or stone to blend your stash seamlessly with the natural environment. Remember, avoiding well-traveled paths is key to initial concealment. Now, let's explore some advanced hiding techniques. Consider setting up 1 or 2 decoy stashes with less valuable items to throw off any pursuers. Mastering simple redstone contraptions can create truly invisible entrances and secret rooms, making your base nearly undetectable. Disguise your main entrance as a natural rock formation or a common, unassuming structure. Using lava or water flows can also effectively obscure your hidden pathways, adding another layer of protection. Security is paramount for a good stash. Strategically place various traps, like TNT or piston traps, around your base to deter and damage intruders. Build with multiple layers of protection, utilizing strong blocks such as obsidian or reinforced stone for maximum durability. For your most valuable items, create several smaller, separate hidden compartments within your main stash. Always conduct regular perimeter checks for any signs of digging or suspicious activity near your location. Finally, let's discuss ongoing maintenance and best practices. Keep your stash meticulously organized, knowing exactly where everything is saves precious time during emergencies. The golden rule is to never, ever tell anyone your stash location, not even your closest allies. For ultimate security, consider periodically relocating your entire stash to a brand new, equally hidden spot. And critically, never leave any obvious trails or signs that could lead directly to your secret base.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.